Welcome EDL 610 students to week 2. This is your helicopter video for this week. The purpose of the helicopter video is to give you an overview of what lies ahead during week 2. First of all, we'd like to share with you that in our Google community, under posts, we have added a section for EDL 610. This is where you can put your posts that are specific, of course, to our particular course. Let's take a look at week 2. First thing you'll see when you come into the Blackboard environment is the announcements. You'll next want to go to week 2. And the first thing you'll see is our agenda. This helicopter video will actually be at the top of the agenda once it is completed. In the agenda, you'll have a section here on the readings for this week, as well as the assignments that are due on January 29th, which of course in Module 1 is your Reflection and Commitment blog post number 1, and your Belief blog post for Module 3. Next in the agenda, you'll see an overview for Modules 1, 2, and 3, and at the end you will see the assignments that are due for February 5th. Let's take a look at Module 1, our Leadership Habits for week 2. There is no reading assigned for this module, so the first thing you will do is watch the screencast for the habit this week, which is begin with the end in mind. After watching the video and the screencast, your next step, step 3, will be to post your Reflection and Commitment blog 2 in your Weebly, due on February 5th. In addition to that, you're also going to now respond to your collegial partner, if you haven't already done so, from their Reflection and Commitment blog 1. That's also due February 5th. In Module 2, you will have already read Chapter 2 of Fisher, Frey, and Pumpian. Notice there are no assignments from Module 2 due this week. After that, you'll watch the screencast on culture. And particularly this week is Pillar 1, Welcoming. After watching the screencast, you're going to respond to the following prompts that are located here so that you can create your Pillar 1 blog post on welcoming. Put that in your Weebly, and again, it's also due on February 5th. Let's take a look at Module 3, our Leadership Platform module. This week, you'll have read in green Chapter 2, and in Waters, pages 21 through 26. Next, you'll watch the screencast on your personal story, which is the second part of your leadership platform. Once you have watched the screencast, you will write your personal story blog post, which as you can see is about 250 words, and also place that in your Weebly. It is also due on February 5th. Well, that's it for this week. As always, let us know how we can help. Send us an email if you have any questions, and we'll see you online.